How do you export data from Tableau Prep Builder? In this example, I'm using Superstore, doing an aggregate function, and then some clean functions. All I need to do to export this data is click on the plus sign after my last step, click Output, and I can choose where to output the file. If I want to choose a file, I can do that, or I can publish as a data source or a database table. I'm going to choose File, call it Output. You can save it as a hyperfile, but then only Tableau can open it. You can also change it to an Excel or CSV. I'm going to choose CSV, browse where I want to put the output, save it as new output, accept, and I just need to press play to run the flow. Hope that helps.